Hello and welcome to my review of the Dell P2415Q 4K monitor. I've had it for 2 years now and it's a really good monitor with only a few minor limitations I'll get into later in the video. Let's just take a look at the screen. It's not too shiny so you won't get too much glare. And on the side here you can see the menu buttons. I'll show you how they work later, and the power button. Most of it's just black matte plastic and aluminum. I believe this is a nice steady base with rubber feet on the bottom and a loop here to keep the cables nice and tidy. You can adjust the height really easy, and you can also change the viewing angles. This gives you a good idea of how slim it is. And you can also turn it 90 degrees so it's vertical. But I won't do that now because you have to move these cables so they won't get twisted too much. Now, on the back here, you can see the ports for the power, display ports, and the HDMI inputs. I'm using an HDMI cable here. This is the one complaint I have about the monitor. These USB ports are not really convenient to access. And there's only one USB port here that you can plug in easily. Oh, and this is the sound bar I bought separately. It just slides right in on the bottom. Okay, and here's how the monitor looks. It looks a lot better than what this video is showing. On the side here, we have the menu buttons. And there's a bunch of preset modes here. And this is the other and negative aspect of the monitor. The only people that wouldn't like using it are really competitive gamers who want really high refresh rates. Even on this game mode they have here, it only goes up to 50 to 60 hertz. And that isn't too much of a problem because most people, even regular gamers, won't need that high of a refresh rate. Now let's just play the video here to see how it looks.
There's a huge landscape that is just begging to be explored, and it really just takes a moment to...
Now there are also other settings like the inputs here. You can see display port, HDMI, MDP, and more options in the menu. There are a lot of options here. You can even change the energy consumption. And this works with both Windows and Mac. There's a driver disk that comes with it, which I didn't need to use. It worked right when I plugged in my computer. And here's the calibration sheet for the colors. This is only if you're editing photos and video, which you can see the color accuracy is almost perfect. Overall, I would say this is a really good monitor, and it's even more affordable now compared to when I bought it. You can check the link in the description.
They find their way to their first viewpoint. They look down into this two-dimensional